Good morning and welcome back to the channel. And I'm going to keep my voice down. It's 6:45. We're here at Gary's pool, and Gary is we're going to re-plumb the suction side of Gary's pool today, and we're going to add a check valve. Now, these valves, after a while, they just lose their ability to use these nuts and screws as a way to bind, so that's the reason we have the clamps on there. So the pool's been running just fine over the last couple days, no problems. However, that's not the way we want to operate, so I'm just here early to take a look and to make sure I buy everything right. We're going to add a check valve and a few things like that. But check this out. Look what he did. He finished, and this is going to be an area where his grandkids can jump off into the pool, a diving board, as it were. Now, if you've been watching, he just re-plumbed that right here for these two, his water feature and his slide. So I'm confident we're at no leaks, and so he's refilled it and backfilled it with gravel and stone dust and whatnot. So anyway, I'm gonna get out of here and we'll start our day at the I think we're gonna go to the long lap pool. Okay, I'm gonna do a little brief talk about the IC40 here, just a little trick. I'm sure you've seen it all over the internet too, is how to check how much more life you have left. Hold down the more button for 5 seconds and I'm gonna tell you this one has 60% left. I'm gonna go back to auto mode. So I'll tell you what, I just took the salt. It's a bang on 3620. Perfect to be making salt. Now, who knows, maybe they swam this weekend. I'm sure they did. Hopefully they did. But there's no algae over there right now. Of course, today is Tuesday. It's not their service day. By the time I get around here on Thursday, there might be some algae along here, which is gonna piss me off. But anyway, our Pentair Rebel is just perfectly doing everything. Look at the deep end of that pool, sparkling clean. All right, I have come here and I've seen what's working, what I need to buy. See how we're holding down the pressure on this, and there's no air in this pump, so that's what I gotta do, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay, we're here at our extra long lap pool, and things look okay, water chemistry wise, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the pool. No big deal. Telson 90. S100, he is doing his thing, and we'll continue to let him do his thing, and then we'll wrap him up at the end and move on. But yeah, the water looks pretty good. We're still pretty low on salt, and the homeowner has to keep the level here. So one of the things that is a challenge is making sure you keep the level of the pool right, so the skimmers work properly, and they don't suck any air. Okay, bring some stuff back here now. Take our chems in a sec. Okay, so we're out of here now. We just brushed in a bag of salt, and yeah, things are looking really good. We had 2,600 salt. We need 36, so we might probably, good grammar, we probably will have to add a bag next week, and then that'll get us where we need to be. But yeah, we're so fogged in, can't even see the golf course today. Drive safe. Okay, so we're here at the Farmhouse Pool, and yeah, I don't know, I find this is a recurring theme here. So once again, the cleaner has been pulled out, and I'm not too keen about this, and I'll have to say that this pool will definitely be raised in price. So, and then on top of it, here's another thing. I can tell that I'm not sure if this is working. Usually that makes a noise when it's working, and I can notice that the pool is a lot lower than it usually is. So, all right, let's take some chems. Okay, so we're done here at the Farmhouse Pool. You know, for this nightmare of plumbing here, this pool performs pretty dang good. I don't care for the fact that this spa is so dirty every time. Nobody's wiping their feet off before they get in that. However, we do have a four-wheel drive Hayward pool cleaner, and he does a dang good job of keeping this thing clean when he's plugged in. So yeah, anyway, let's move on. Okay, so we're here at our perfectly built kidney bean, and things are looking really good as usual. No surprise here. So, you know, the weather has been warming up, although it doesn't indicate it today. But yeah, I'm not gonna go mountain stream status because there is a little cloudiness in the deep end, which is fine, you know. But we've been adding salt, so we've been producing chlorine, so that's why this water looks so wonderful and crystal clear. Okay, so if we're gonna replumb Gary's pool, and we are, he has 2.5 here on his main drain, and then over here, you know, he's only got 1 here, whereas this has a cleaner and a skimmer. So yeah, we won't have to exactly do it. Well, actually, it'll be like this over here coupled with this, and then we're going to add a check valve because, well, gosh darn, I just love that. And then that will really help keep all of the water in the local system in Gary's pool will prime up as quickly as this one does, which is immediate. Okay, so we're out of here. I took the salt here, and I read 3,100, and on the Easy Touch on the equipment, it says 2,750. So I must say, it looks like a 2,750 pool. It's definitely acting that way. I rely on this salt meter, and I have recommended it for many of you, and I still stand by it. Now, what might have just happened is in that part where I took the reading is that's it. It's in that part. It is 3,100, whereas, you know, maybe something that's coming out of the sensor is more closer to that 2,800 reading. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, we're here at our last pool of the day. Yeah, this pool is so beautiful, and now that the trees are trimmed, look how clean the pool is. I just got here. It's just after 9 a.m. so the pool just started running, and the spa is just going to start spilling over here in a moment. Yeah, so when I get here and it's this clean, I always take a little extra time and brush the stain. Anyway, eventually it will come out. I don't know how many years it will take, but it just goes to show the importance of a good startup. You need somebody who is here diligently days and days and days after the pool has water in it for its first time. Now, that's kind of why I don't do them anymore, because they're just not a good deal. A lot of builders pay like $600 to $750 for a startup, and that's like 4 visits, maybe more. And then on top of it, there's homeowner interaction, and frankly, I'm not going to do a startup anymore for less than $1,000. So regardless of that has nothing to do with this pool. But yeah, I'm going to clean it up. But let's take our chems. Okay, so here are our chems, and we're low on salt, 2,600, but we have plenty of chlorine, low pH, perfect alkalinity, and cyanuric is ideal. So we have a Hayward, or excuse me, we have a Pentair IC40, but there's a lot of requirements here, a lot of need, and they need a floater in the pool as well. So we keep a 3-inch chlorinating tab in the spa, and that's where you get it. And then you get some cyanuric out of that as well. So we hold on to what we have. But yeah, I am super happy. This is as clean as I can ever expect this pool to be. And I'm actually just gonna be in and out of here. Okay, so we are done, and I feel really good about this. Hayward 4-wheel drive pool cleaner keeps us clean here. We're spilling over in the spillway. We're spillwaying in the spillway, I guess, yes. So yeah, look at the wonderful, wonderful look at this water here. Look at this guy, he's climbing. Oh, he no go. Anyway, guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. It is free. And comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. We will see you. Oh wait, hey, I have to go and plumb Gary's pool today, but unfortunately I couldn't find the check valve that I want, so we're gonna do it on Thursday. So anyway, please stay tuned. I didn't mean to bait you and then switch. You guys, please, I'll see you on the next video.